It's a beautiful day today. They're doing the work for the water easement. That's happening today. And he's been digging out this big trench. And the work on the project also continues. They were working on the roof. We saw them brushing water off the top. As you can see the project coming into view. There are men still up on the top. And there was a little work also over on the side to the far right where the driveway has been cut in. There are a number of cars and trucks on the site today. And we did notice how the grass is actually coming in. That's just that awesome renewal of seed, time, and harvest. You can see it looks like they're spreading some type of solvent up there. He's using a push broom. And at one point we saw they had a torch going. Our guess is that they needed to either keep the solvent in a liquid form or that they were using it as a drying agent, because the first thing they pushed off the roof was water. So that's your snapshot for today. Stay in faith.